Do not scream, bro.
Where's all that smoke?
We, bro, shut up. This is so beautiful. Is this beautiful? Yeah. Like, bro. Yeah, skibbity bop bop bop. Yeah, skibbity kill it. Skibbity
Skibbity
skib.
dubbity skibbity dub dub. Oh, that was skibbity dub dub dub.
Bro, what?
Yes.
Oh my god. Bro, I just.
Oh, cameraman.
Bro.
Cameraman.
Oh my god. I'm getting scared. I'm getting scared.
I'm getting scared. I'm never getting scared.
I'm scared. I'm not scared. Shut up. Sorry, I'm getting scared. Well, too bad. You have to watch it because Knuckles is on vacation and he'll scream out his kid, so we have to watch it before he comes. Ooh! Bro, this is Bird. Yeah, hello. At least you get some colors.
I was getting away from the house.
What? No, I want to see the grand finale. I want to see the grand finale. Oh my god! Oh my god! What is that face? It looks like they're like coming towards us. It looks like it's coming to us. It looks like it's like boom! Ow! I'm dead. I'm dead.
It was coming to me.
I'm never fired.
I would go be I'm gonna fire.
Oh my god! Mom, I want to, Mom. I can't wait for the grand finale, right? Yeah, Tails. I can't wait. I think this is a great finale. No, we're done! I think it's World War II. World War II. Wait out. Oh my god, bro. That scared me. Heck out me, bro. Bro, that is not like TV Man, bro, Tail. Well, I want to come with kids because it is coming.
Some people are gonna get hit. Oh, everybody's clapping.
I can't clap. I'm recording a video. No, this is perfect. That's lame. Oh my god!
Holy moly!
Tail, stop being afraid, Sonic. Well, hey, what is that? What is that kind of?
That one was a bad dude.
Hey, we're too far. You can't get us. Shoot! This. Wee. Mom, when's the grand finale? Mom, when's the grand finale? When's the grand finale?
Couple minutes yet.
Let's go! Oh my god, bro. Sorry. St. Patrick's Day.
Leah, honey. You're not listening.
3, 2, 1. Good job.
Probably scared. Aaliyah, they're probably scared of kids.
We can see cleaning the top of the fucking deal.
Bow, 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 bow. Stupid car. Bow, 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 bow. This looks so cool. This looks so cool.
I like it.
Bro, what the?
I like it.
Bro, I can't see you dying. I can see the dinosaur. Or dinosaur. I can't. Bro, that's a dinosaur, but you guys can't see because it's nighttime, right? What the? Oh my god. Bro, this is not even 4th of July. We're going to days. We're going somewhere to 4th of July. Maybe I should upload that a new episode of Sonic Quest Reboot. Should I? I mean Sonic Speed Reboot. No! We're dying. Oh my god.
No.
Grand finale. Well, that sucked. Bro, I can hear me. Wee.
Why are you staying over there?
I have no idea, broski. Oh my god, I missed it. Sorry. I'm dying. I'm dead. I'm dead, guys. Bro, that looks so better in the camera, bro. This looks so better in the camera. For some reason, this looks so better in the camera.
It's just getting ready for the grand finale when they start posting like this.
If I get a little closer to this, that means we're gonna die, right? Oh, okay. Yeah, tail. Yeah, tail. Oh god, I think we're gonna die today.
Yes, it is.
Oh, that was a big bad boo.
Guys, I'm dead. Guys, I'm getting freaked out a little bit. Shut up, Tails. Tails, it's okay. Only 2 people survived this, so we might be fine. 2 people survived this?
I did. Please.
Bow, 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 bow. Alright.
Tails, it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're all liking the fireworks.
I'm not. It looks...
Like it's right on top of my
I
head.
want to play a game.
I don't know what to tell you.
No. No. It's okay, Tails. Right, dinosaur?
I like the fireworks and the purple
Bro, what? I do not feel comfortable.
I feel
In a couple minutes.
Tails, help!
Stop ruining it.
Sonic, help! Sonic, help! Why are you laughing? This is not funny. Yes, it is, Tails. But why? Because it's not to kill you. God's on your side. And yeah.
Guys, do you like fireworks? Oh yeah, I see fireworks.
I just gave her her
No, do not get in. If this keeps going close, we're dead. Sorry.
Hey, their stars are getting ruined.
It wasn't that long.
All the stars are getting ruined.
There's no stars here, stupid.
Not the other one.
Oh, there's one over here. Well, we don't care. Wait. I want to go home, bro.
So none of her medicine was different.
Bro, that scared me. That's gonna scare me.
Tails, it's okay.
No, stop. That one almost came for us. Did you know that? I'm getting scared. I'm getting really scared.
Stop, Tails.
Oh, Faint's away.
Fireworks are amazing.
Oh, Faint's away. Yay, Faint's away. There's nothing to worry about.
You get that?